This is WVST-TV, serving the Jamestown, North Dakota area. Our schedule for the remainder of the broadcast day is as follows. At 8 p.m., the new season of Doctor Who is here as the sixth incarnation makes his debut in the first part of the Twin Dilemma. Following that, at 8:30 p.m., we will join Julie Mirage and David Dinkelbridge in the studio for the Jamestown News Bulletin. At 9:05 p.m., we will conclude our broadcasting with The Joy of Faking, with Rob Moss. For now, we will now go to our regular segment, The Missing.
Rosie Jackson, aged 9, disappeared in April 12, 1984. Patricia Russell, aged 17, disappeared in April 24, 1984. Maria Laveau, aged 18, disappeared 4th of June, 1983. Vehicle belonging to her, a red 1979 Ford Thunderbird, was last seen traveling westbound in Interstate 94. License plate is KDM017.
This is a test of the emergency broadcast system. Please stand by.
Thanks for coming to my showcase.